The strongest spiritual life is simple. It conveys messages directly and clearly. Whether the joy of connecting to our ancestors or the splendor of a totemic guide lighting the way into the dream consciousness. This is promoted by simplicity attributed to the way we live. We develop the ability to engage in exceptional moments by the most connected means. Ancient practices updated, efficient and easy to do, have greatly reduced difficulties in assessing life situations and other such mind-whirling chaos, freeing our perspective and strengthening our connection. My mission is to connect people to spirit and earth, to the possibilities, manifested dreams, magic, a mastery of simple life, and clear, brief in principles that transform our lives. What I hope to share includes concepts that allow us to be proud of who we are. Life is not difficult, and it is time to relax. The key to connection is that we live within Earth's timing cycle. Looking to the south, we see the rainbow serpent, and we are filled with gratitude and extend understanding and compassion to all our relations in changing Mother Earth. Looking to the west, we see the healing bear. We are filled with vision and recognize our world is alive and evolving simultaneously with humanity. We are healing. Looking to the north, we see Thunderhoof the buffalo. We are filled with strength and see ourselves in connection to all life forms, and in this we find true validation of self. Looking to the east, we see the white-tailed eagle. We discover peace and accept our roles as responsible co-creators of our world reality, extending respect to all sacred points of view as valid and necessary. Looking below, we see we come from the Earth Mother and the sacredness of all life, and its right of birth to live spiritually free. Looking above, we see we come from the Sky Father and free ourselves from all attachment to illusional needs to be better than or less than and experience our authenticity. Looking within, we see we have come into this circle to be all that we can be and experience our total connection. We are all our relations, and we are peace. And this is a prayer, and we are everything we need to be. Dayene, and so it is.